Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English 2 class. As I have already told in the last video that we will discuss the question answer of chapter 3 in the next video. So let us start our question answers. Okay. First one is comprehension. A. Tick the correct answer. So we have already understood the chapter. Now you can answer. Who was the god of music? Who was the god of music? Apollo. Okay. Which instrument did Orpheus play? Which instrument? Harp, lyre, santur or guitar? Lyre. Okay. Where was Orpheus buried? Mount Alps, Mount Olympus. The answer is Mount Olympus. Okay. Why was Orpheus dumbfounded while coming out of the gates of Hades? Okay. He found his wife following him. His wife disappeared as he looked back. Hades stopped him from stepping out of the gates. Orpheus took hold of his wife's hand. No, the answer is B. His wife disappeared as he looked back. Okay. Now let us move on to B number answer with reference to the context. Their happiness was covered with a dark cloud. An unfortunate incident took place. What were Orpheus and Eurydice doing on that day? What will be the answer? The answer will be Orpheus and Eurydice were admiring nature in their beautiful garden on that day. Okay. Orpheus and Eurydice were admiring nature in their beautiful garden on that day. Next one. How did their happiness come to an end? Their happiness came to an end when a serpent stung Eurydice and she died instantly. Their happiness came to an end when a serpent stung Eurydice and she died instantly. Number C. What was the condition of Orpheus at the end of the day? The condition of Orpheus at the end of that day was he was heartbroken. He could not imagine his life without Eurydice. So he boldly decided to travel to the underworld. Okay. Next one. Next reference we will see. Dismayed, shattered and inconsolable, Orpheus returned to earth. So where did Orpheus return from? Orpheus returned from the kingdom of Hades. Okay. Orpheus returned from kingdom of Hades. Number B. Why was Orpheus dismayed and shattered? Orpheus was dismayed and shattered because you can see here, see the answer from here. Orpheus made the mistake of looking back to ensure whether Eurydice was following him or not. He saw her, but as he stretched his hand to hold her, Eurydice was not there. Okay, so from Orpheus to there, it will be the answer of B, number 2B. Okay. Now, what did he do after he came back to earth? So, after he came back to earth, what did he do? He went around the forest playing on his lyre and singing sad songs. The trees, the hills, the rivers, the birds and the animals were his audience. Okay, this is the answer from here to here. Now, let us see. What eventually happened to Orpheus? Eventually, Orpheus too died because he was sad, lonely and full of sorrow. Okay. Eventually, Orpheus too died because he was sad, lonely and full of sorrow. Now, let us move on to section C. Answer the following questions. Who was Orpheus and what talent did Orpheus have? Orpheus was the son of Apollo, the god of music, and he was very talented musician. With his enchanted music, he could not only impress humans but also reach out to animals and trees in the forest. Okay. Number 2. Who was Hades and what did Hades decide to do? Hades was the ruler of the land of dead, and Hades decided to return Eurydice to Orpheus on one condition. Hades decided to return Eurydice to Orpheus on one condition. What did Orpheus beg Hades for? Orpheus begged Hades to give him back his beloved wife. Orpheus begged Hades to give him back his beloved wife. Okay. Next one. What condition did Hades put to Orpheus? What condition did Hades put to Orpheus? The condition that Hades put to Orpheus was Orpheus should not look back until he had left the gates of Hades and entered the gates of earth. The condition that Hades put to Orpheus was Orpheus should not look back until he had left the gates of Hades and entered the gates of earth. Okay. What mistake did Orpheus make? And what price did he pay for his mistake? Okay. The mistake that Orpheus made was he looked back to ensure whether Eurydice was following him or not. He looked back to ensure whether Eurydice was following him or not. Okay. So, what price did he pay for his mistake? The price he paid for his mistake was he lost his beloved wife Eurydice forever. He lost his beloved wife Eurydice forever. What is the legend about Orpheus? Okay. So the legend about Orpheus is that the sweet voiced nightingales sing over his grave even today. It is said that the sweet voiced nightingales sing over his grave even today. So the legend about Orpheus was that the sweet voiced nightingales sing over his grave even today. So now the next two questions is your homework. You have to think and answer. How did Eurydice have avoided the misfortune, and how can you gather what can you gather about the character of Orpheus? Okay. So in this chapter, author is unknown. This chapter is taken from the Greek mythology, and you will write all the question answers and you will learn them. Okay. And make sure you don't cheat while you give your test. So here we end our chapter number 3. In the next video, we will start chapter number 4. Till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.